Russia is increasingly fixing its muscle in space as it seeks to reassert global influence under the leadership of Vladimir Putin. Recently, Russia has carried out a missile test, destroying one of its own satellites. The action has international outrage because the debris could threaten the International Space Station-ISS as satellites in low Earth orbit. The Russian Defense Ministry said it had successfully conducted tests, as a result of which Russian spacecraft Tselina-D, which had been in orbit since 1982, was destroyed. Russia's defense minister Sergei Shoigu later said the launch has a promising system that accurately struck its target. Anti-satellites or assets are space weapons designed to disable or destroy satellites' strategic military purposes. These are low-flying missiles designed not to attack a city or a country, but to destroy a satellite and weaken the communication of a country, apart from more damage. They are much smaller and don't hit a satellite directly, but detonate in close-range proximity to it. The consequent shock wave destroys the satellite. However, no country has used such system in warfare till now. Several nations have shot their own satellites to demonstrate their asset capabilities in show-off force. Russia's test of an anti-satellite or ASAT missile system is not the first of its kind. The successful flight test of Russia's direct ascent anti-satellite missiles, known as PL-19 Noodle, took place on 18 September 2015. In May 2016, Russia tested the Noodle for the first time. Two more launches were reportedly held in December 2016. On 26 March of 2018 and on 23 December 2018, the latter two from a TEL. A new type of assault missile was seen carried by a MiG-31 in September 2018. On 15 April 2020, US officials said Russia conducted a direct ascent anti-satellite missile test that could take the outer space or satellites in low Earth orbit. A new test launch took place in 16 December 2020. Last year, London and Washington accused Moscow of testing a nesting doll, which was a satellite that opened up and released a sub-satellite to stalk an American satellite. China, meanwhile, is developing a weapon known as Shijian-17, which is a robot arm capable of grabbing satellites. Despite these tensions, the United States and Russia have maintained strong space ties since the end of the Cold War, cooperating closely on the ISS, which they built together. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the next one. Peace.